it'll just be your hands.
That's okay. I do well in video. So as you can see, that's all we did was mount a 5-gang box.
Yep.
And tapped out a couple of holes.
Yep.
And because the fixture is only that narrow, it would have been nice if it would have flat on the wall, but there's no way to bring the wire.
I think we could fit the Lunera power supply right in here too.
Yeah.
And because it'll be a smaller power supply, because this will only be like 8 watts.
Right.
And then, you know, we may be able to just tack right into these things.
Right.
Could be pretty simple here. Because they already kind of have that ready. We wouldn't have to come up with our mounting bracket.
Right.
Yet. Roughly, do you know what the distance is between this and this, roughly? That's going to be the only problem. We'll need a plate of some sort. I don't know, let's call that... Tom, if you're watching, call it 2.5 inches, roughly.
I can...
Regardless, there would have to be like a plate right here, and then we could maneuver it around.
It's the same distance that it would be on any box. Okay?
Gotcha.
Any standard box.
Gotcha, gotcha. All right, good enough.